In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable comments from your WordPress website. Hi and welcome to this channel. After spending time to create your website, write blog posts, and there are others who think they are smart enough to spam your post with unrelated information and things that don't make sense at all. I'll show you how to disable the comment feature from your website. So to do so, you go to post and click all post and then select title, which is gonna select everything. So from the bulk action arrow, click the drop down and click on edit, apply. All right, so on your right you will see there's a clear comment, no change. So click on the arrow down and do not allow and then update. Don't forget the update. This action has disabled the comment feature completely. So next you have to go to pages, click all pages, and we'll perform the same action. All right, so we'll do same here. So click on title and click the bulk action drop down arrow, click on edit, then apply. Then right here you see comment, click on it, do not allow, and update. So there's one more thing you need to do. Go to settings and click on discussion, and as you can tell right here, if I check this, it means allow people to submit comments on new posts. But right now this is off. So if you have yours checked, make sure you check it off. All right, then when you are done, you just have to come all the way down and click save. In my case, I didn't check anything, so there's no point in clicking save. All right, but in your case, when you are done, just come down here and click save, and that's it. Okay, so make sure this is off, right? So this is how you disable comment feature from your WordPress website, your blog post, your pages, completely from spammers and people trying to drop links to redirect people off your website. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. See you in my next video.